This Keto Strawberry Milkshake is definitely a chilling treat. Servings: 1. Ingredients: 3/4 cup coconut milk, 1/4 cup heavy cream, 7 ice cubes, 2 tablespoons sugar-free Strawberry Torani, 1 tablespoon MCT Oil, 1/4 teaspoon Xanthan Gum. Procedure: 1. Add all ingredients to your blender. 2. Blend everything together for 1 to 2 minutes or until the consistency is good for you. 3. Pour out and enjoy. Nutritional information: calories, 368 protein, 2 grams fat, 39 grams net carbs, 2 grams. Our done-for-you keto meal plans are completely customized, based on your food preferences and weight loss goals. You can click the link in the bio to start creating your 8-week plan. Just simply follow the plan to achieve a successful keto diet. Good luck and happy ketosis!